Hey guys, I just want to make a quick video to let you know where I've been, what I've been doing. I know I was supposed to put out a video this past weekend of a sink being poured, but unfortunately I've got a little sidetracked with a hospital stay. It ain't nothing, no big deal, I hope not yet anyway. As soon as I can get out of here, that sink video is going to be done. Oh, yeah, I'm definitely in the hospital. But as soon as I get out of here, that sink video will be done, and I'm still looking for recommendations on colors for the sink. So if you guys have any ideas or any specific colors you'd like to see, jot them down in the description below or in the comments below. I'll surely consider them because I'm at a loss for colors. I've had to go through so many different colors here in the recent past. It's just unreal. I've got a pretty good amount of videos pre-recorded that I've just got to edit, and I just got this new edit program. A 10-minute video will take me 5.5 7 hours to edit, and it'll drop down as I get used to it. I just want to let you know, give an update why there was no sink video posted this past weekend, but I can assure you as soon as I get out of here, which will probably be tomorrow, that I will get that video done. It's gonna happen. If it kills me to do it, I'll do it. But if you guys get any value out of any of my videos, please drop me a thumbs up. That helps me get a little bit higher IQ each time. If you ain't already done it, get yourself subscribed, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I do put a video out. As always, God bless and good night.